Hi everyone, happy holiday season. I'm Miss Karen at Adams Memorial Library. Thank you for joining me and Miss Grace for our December Inquire Within program. So this month in the kits, we've got some things you can use to decorate for the holidays. You can decorate for Christmas, and some of the things you could probably even leave up after. You can just decorate for winter with them. But the kits will be available in the children's room. You can come down and get one, or you can always call the library and we can have it ready for you to pick up at curbside service. So Miss Grace is going to tell you about a couple of the crafts, and I'm going to tell you about one now. That would be a coffee filter holiday garland. So in the kit, we will give you some coffee filters and some ribbon to hang it on to the garland, glue stick to fasten it together, and then you can decide how you want to do it with what materials you have at home. If you have paints, that's what they used in the instructions here. You could color with watercolor paints. If you have crayons, your garland will look like this. It'll have lighter colors to it, and it'll be kind of pastel looking garland. If you have markers at home and want to use those, the colors might look a little bit darker on your garland, but you can decide how you want to color it. And that's really all you do. You color on a coffee filter, and then in your kit also we'll give you a little paintbrush, and that is so you can wet it. If you do the way I did these garlands, you can either color with crayons or color with markers, and then dip the paintbrush in a little bit of water. And make sure when you do this, you need to I put plastic bags underneath. You will need to put something down so the colors don't run through. But you can just sort of paint with water over them. And if you have the crayons, it'll blend the colors a little bit, but it'll also flatten the coffee filter. So it'll be nice and flat, and it'll be easier to fasten it onto the garland. If you use markers, the colors will kind of bleed and blend together a little bit more, so it'll look like this and kind of have a tie-dye effect. But then what you do is wet it, color it, wet it, then let it dry. You might have to let it dry for a couple hours or overnight, and then you fold it in half, and you'll fold it and attach it, put it where you want it on the ribbon that'll be in your kit. And then you will take the glue stick and glue all the way around it, and then you'll seal it on both sides onto the ribbon. So it'll be glued all the way together, and then you can have it on the ribbon like these ones are. And then you can hang it up on your wall. You can put it over a doorway, however you would like to use it to decorate. And Miss Grace is going to be here with a couple of more things for you to use to decorate.
Hi everyone, I'm Miss Grace. I'm Adams Memorial Library Youth Services librarian, and here today I'm going to show you how to make our holiday crafts. So, in the bag you're going to get some felt for the puppy dog crafts. You can make 2 of them or just one, and you're going to get a little template to make a pug ornament or a Labrador ornament. Then you'll also get materials to make a little Christmas tree. And see that you'll have 3 popsicles. You're making into a triangle, a little star, a little stump on the bottom. And then you can either glue or tape the string onto the back. And then you'll get little pom-poms for the ornaments. So for the puppy dog's ornaments, you'll get 2 templates, and you get to pick which one you want to make, or you can make both. And the rounder one is the pug one, and the square one is the Labrador. So here, I'm going to show you how to make the pug. Also, you'll get a little cotton ball that you can pull apart, and that's going to go in the middle between the back and the front for the puppy dog ornaments. So you'll start with the face first. how you make the puppy dog ornament. So after you set it all together, you're not going to put it on the tree just yet. You're just going to let it sit aside, let the glue dry. Then once it's dry and sturdy enough, you can put it on the tree. So thanks for watching.
We've added another craft to the kits. You can make these kind of Christmas trees. In the kit, there'll be a piece of blue paper that you can use in the background, and a piece of paper that can be the base of your tree, star for the top of the tree, and then different sizes and colors of stripes that you can use to make the tree however you would like. If you want, you can put the longest stripes at the bottom and make it smaller. If you want to do your tree another way, you can do it however you would like. You can cut the strips down. You can pile them on top of each other. You can crisscross them. You can make a pattern. It's up to you. But this is another thing that you can do either by yourself or together as a family. And you can hang these up to decorate too. Maybe just a few other things in the kits too that you can use to decorate if you'd like, or just another activity that you can do during the holidays. There's a coloring sheet with Super Y and the gang hanging out with Santa, or a few ornaments that you could make. There's a Wildcats one, Let's Go Luna one. Or if you want to put Daniel Tiger up, you can do a Daniel one. There are some postcards from Let's Go Luna, and maybe you'd want to send somebody a Happy New Year's greeting. If you want to send greetings to somebody who's nearby or farther away, you can always send them a postcard. Plus, there's one other activity that you might like to do together as a family. They're thumbprint holiday lights. And if you have some finger paint, something you can use with your fingers at home, then everybody in the family could do this. You use your thumbprints and pretend that they are the holiday lights. And then you can have all your families prints together and do something that's unique to your family that you can use to decorate. So as I said at the beginning, if you would like to come down to the library and pick up your kit, you can just come on down to the children's room or give us a call. And we thank very, very much, as always, our friends at WQED Education and Clearview Federal Credit Union for allowing us to make these kits for you. And we are so grateful to you too, friends, all of you for watching and doing the activities with us and being part of our Friends with PBS Kids. So thank you very much, friends. Thank you. We'll hope to see you at the library, and have a wonderful Christmas and a Happy New Year. And we'll see you for another Inquire Within program in January. Thank you, everybody. Bye-bye.